Hello barber, I show you the cabinet. You see there are 3 cabinets, 1, 2, 3, and you will combine it together to build your one whole screen. And let's see the details now. Here is the inside. You see, aluminum material, and this is the empty cabinet. We will install, assemble with other spare parts and light up the screen. And I will send you video after assembling. Here you can see the detail is good. And here is the clock. I will also show you a video how it works. See it. And let's see the front side, so I can show you the edge, the border. I tell you, you see the whole screen. 1, 2, 3, the middle. You see the middle without an edge, so the screen will have no gap. Here is the edge. The left edge, above edge, and bottom edge. You see the middle one do not have left and right edge, but have above and bottom. You see. The edge is 5 centimeter. That is 0.16 inch. Same 0.164 inch. See the edge? The edge material is same with the whole cabinet. It is aluminum. Okay, finish. And after assembling with other spare parts, I will also show you a video or photo. Okay.